We knocked about 4 of these down. Wonder what goat meat tastes like. So we're going to pick up something crazy.
I like them nasty, bougie, branch, yeah.
Hey Veezy fam! We're back with another video. If you guys saw our last video, it was horrible. Worst video ever, RIP Jax. However, we want to show you guys what we fixed. We did a couple of things.
Duck house, chicken house, duck house, chicken house, duck house, chicken house, duck house.
Yeah, that's right, guys. When it first happened, we put the llamas in here. Look at them. They love it. They got fresh grass, they're eating coconuts, they're eating palm trees, and they're having a jolly time in here, all right? Once the llamas were in here, I started doing a little bit of research. Llamas were in here for about a week, no coyote, right? Nothing, no issues. So what we did was we knocked this all down. We knocked about 4 of these down, so now chickens, ducks, they all hang out. We opened up the goat house, so now the goats roam free. Coyotes also like to eat goat meat. Wonder what goat meat tastes like.
I am not gang gang. I do not gang bang. But play me like I'm I will pull up and bang.
You guys kept saying put hot wires on the fence. You guys see our chickens? They jump over there. So I don't want to put traps over there. I don't want to put hot wire around the fence because they all go back and forth and, you know, everything's free. But anyway, so now this is all opened up for the goats, the chickens, the llamas, the ducks. I feel like Blake from Blake's Exotic Ranch. You guys know him? Because he has like a big opening, which actually works. You guys said we should get a dog. You guys said...
I found out I'm a chicken. I can lay an egg. Watch.
It broke.
No.
What do we do at the Veezy farm when we break an egg accidentally? No. You can get what's that called?
Yeah.
That's a good protein for your workout, homie. Since we did that by opening everything, we've had everything roaming free. Stop, dude. And we've had no issues. But then somebody contacted me that sells wolf urine. You guys ever heard of wolf urine?
Is it tasty?
We're gonna find out.
No, we're not.
So many. You guys know why roosters do that?
Why?
Because they're telling everybody, hey, these are my girlfriends, leave them alone. Like, I'm gonna go there and try to steal one of his girlfriends. Like, yo, you wanna go to the movies, chick?
Maybe.
I don't know, that one with the TikTok haircut looks good.
Well, my TikTok cutie with your hair pinned up.
Look in a future video, we're gonna be having some fun with wolf urine. What kind of video is that? Who puts videos up like that? So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed right here because you do not want to miss that. I'll probably pour wolf urine on Anthony's head and Alyssa's head. And we're gonna do some crazy stuff.
You already put stuff on my hair.
What?
Remember the last video that we did where with the circle and I had eggs in my hair? I had all that.
Bro, how did you not win that? I was like rooting for you, and then the 2 Florida boys, our peoples, ended up taking the victory.
I don't know.
You went up.
That was so hard to get out my hair. No more of that.
I hate girls. An update. A lot of comments. This is why I love having viewers that have more knowledge than me. And I'm not like one to think I know everything, and I'm a humble dude. I like to learn from you guys. So the paddlefish that we got from Predatory Fins was a little bit too small right now because I started seeing aggression. The catfish were going after him, and we're not gonna let him die. So shout out to my boy Nate, who has a gigantic pond, and he has nothing in it, for taking the paddlefish. So he's gonna grow the paddlefish a little bit bigger, and as soon as it gets as big as these catfish, then he's gonna be coming back. Rod over there, we got Paul's albino pacu, we got our pacu that we named, I think, Anthony, and then we got Paul right there. So we're going to pick up something crazy from my boy at C&P Growers. Wait till we get there. He calls, he's like, yo, you guys gotta come right now. I don't even think I showered. Do I smell, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, well, I smell. But I look at, you guys are knocking on my hair and clapping on me in the last few videos. Look at his hair. I'm a Veezy cut it, just so y'all know. We're going to pick up something right now. Anthony, we need to listen to the music. I got to get in the mood, all right? Red Bull of music, Red Bull of music, Red Bull of music, go, go. Red Bull of music, Red Bull of music, Red Bull of music, go, go.
Turn it off.
Go ahead, go, go. Hey, what? Ooh, that's the air, bro. Hey, hey, hey,
We're here at C&P Growers
in West Palm Beach, Florida, guys. This is the address, and this is something on the map right there, and this is where we're at. Hey, you guys remember from maybe like, I think we did a bunch of videos here, but they are the ones that we got the koi from. We got plants, we got food. I don't know, we got a bunch of stuff. We always come here because the people here are amazing. They always call and they're like, yo, Veezy fam, we got this, we got this, we got this. Well, today we got a call, said that they have this catfish that is getting way too big for their pond. And I said, wait a minute, we have a pond. We should put it in our pond. We're gonna make Alyssa carry him to the truck by hand.
I'm good. I'll go like this, I'll be like this. Maybe not.
Why is he shaking his breath? Yeah, these guys got everything here. So if you're in the area, come through, tell them the Veezy fam sent you, and come and get some fish. They got everything, look. You even got goldfish to feed your kids. And then you got the standard koi. Oh, they're small. Dude, remember when ours were that small? Then they grew up and became like monsters. Whoa, what's in there? I get scared when it's dark water. I don't even know what it is. It could be a shark. Oh, look at them. All right, guys, so we're getting some water so we can get the catfish in here. We're gonna put him in our bucket with a bubbler, and then we're gonna go find him because he's hiding somewhere. But I was just told to do this, so I just do what I'm told. You know, Mama Veezy is like a survival person, right? So she bought this straw right here that you could like go and drink out of this water and it cleans it. It's on Amazon, we're not sponsored by that, but yo, check out those straws, they're pretty cool. So end of the world stuff, we'll grab the straw and we'll drink our fish water. Yeah, no problem. I got one, good job. All right, Anthony, you caught your first fish. Let's get him. Yes. Good job, Anthony. You're a fisherman now, an angler. You should get your own YouTube, catching fish out of buckets. Bro, he looks amazing. Well, this is Brandon, guys, the catfish. What kind of catfish? Channel cat. Channel cat. Looks good. I'm out here working, so I just got hired. I'm probably gonna quit YouTube and just work here and play with fish all day. I like it. He's got his bubbler, he's got his water. We're gonna bring him into the truck, take him home, and we're gonna get him in the 4,000 gallon. So, I wanna do a montage or a nice little clip of me walking. Look at this work.
I like them nasty, bougie, ratchet, yeah, nasty. Better won't talk. I know she ain't.
Wait, you're forgetting VeezyKids.
Oh, hey guys!
What?
I almost left you.
You saw the smallest koi in the world.
The smallest koi in the world?
Yeah, you have to see them.
Guinness World Record here, guys. Make sure you come and check out the smallest koi in the world per Anthony. I had to show you because Anthony kept talking about the smallest koi in the entire world. So, check out these koi right here, guys.
Oh my gosh, they're so...
Look at how small they are.
Oh, look, he's coming into my finger.
Huh.
Stop. That's cute.
So he's about to do a water change on this, and as he was doing that, I walked over here and I was like, dude, those really are some small koi. So Veezy fam, if you guys know of a smaller koi than one of those, let me know in the comments because I want to see it. Or Instagram. I want to see a smaller koi than that. I've never seen them smaller than that. So after they're in here, then you put them in there once they get bigger?
Yeah.
And then they go for sale, right?
Yep.
And then you'll take care of anybody that comes here and says Veezy fam sent them, right?
Of course.
My man. It's Brandon. Ask for Brandon. It's a great guy. And you will remember his name because, again, that fish is named Brandon. And we're going to go put him in the 4,000 gallon right now. I think I just spit on the camera. Excuse me, I spit on the camera. He's a big, strong guy. So Anthony's going to ride in the back with him. And we're going to get to the house because I want to get him out of there and into the 4,000 gallon and acclimate him. Hey, I like it up here. Look at this. I feel like the king of the world. I will play king of the mountain with anybody and toss them off of here to... Wait, bro, what are you doing? No. We're gonna be at the house in about right...
I said I need this Draco undefeated. I'm rocking, then I'm bleeding. Go long.
We are about to acclimate Mr. Brandon here. Look at him. Looking all good, homie. Here's how you acclimate, guys. You get your little tube. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Don't suck the water in. No, it's in your... You swallow it?
Is it going? No.
No, because you put it underwater. So you got to do it again, but you hold it up here. Oh, he's so disgusting, dude. No, don't you. Ew.
Paul would have had this done in one try.
Well, I'm not Paul Cuffaro, guys. I'm Papa Veezy, and I got Anthony. He's really not even doing it. He just wants to drink from this crap. Yeah, you got a one.
We're gonna make new VeezyKids soda called
Fish water.
Fish Water.
Hey, there you go, buddy. All right. What the heck?
Ew.
That's in our pool, broski. This is enough for right now. So in about 30 minutes, half of this water is going to be half of our water. So this guy's going to be acclimated.
Soon after.
So Brandon is chilling, ready to roll. You good? All right, so take out both bubblers, turn these off. This is how we transfer catfish, because about the barbs and stuff, we basically pour out all the water, since half of it's ours, and then we put him in there and just let him swim away himself. It's good if you're wearing Crocs without socks, so you don't get soaked. So, Brandon, you ready to go in? And never let your fish fall out, because that would be very horrible. Oh, look at, he's with Rod. They're like buddies. BFFs. I guess Rod and Brandon are buddies now. So they're hanging out. Dude, that looks so dope.
Yeah,
look at how crystal clear this pond is.
They love each other.
Aww. And look, we got our shrimps right here, and we're just gonna throw those in for everybody. I don't think they're gonna eat them right now, but if they get hungry, they can. We also want to feed them a little bit of grains to get them used to eating grains, so we're not just throwing fish in all the time. So, we got the grains for them, because they're used to eating grains, by the way. Look.
He's already eating.
And then we got our Pacu grains. I mean, they're a little stressed out because we're all here messing with them. Paul used to have giant pleco in here, big ones, and they would suck the paint off the wall. But I think we might need that, because you see all this dirt and stuff that's coming now from all the catfish and Pacu and all that? I want to keep the bottom as clean as possible. What's the best way to do that? Should I get a bunch of little pleco and throw them in there? Because little pleco eat more than big pleco, but then they also make waste, so I don't really know. I'm always confused when it comes to cleaning waste on the bottom. I know catfish are bottom feeders, so they're going to start cleaning this thing up a little bit. But if you guys have any recommendations, comment down below what you think we should put in here to help clean it up. As far as this pond, we got maybe 4 or 5 more fish that are planning on coming in here, and then this thing's gonna be done. I'm not gonna really like overpack it unless like something crazy like a platinum red tail. Guys, if any of you guys have a platinum red tail and you want to send it to us and have us shout you out and love you forever and name the fish after you, I want a platinum red tail. That's my favorite fish, but they're like $1,500, and only Jayla has that much money in our family. Jayla? Pippi Longstocking is coming in through your town. You guys remember Pippi Longstocking if you're from the 80s like me? Pippi Longstocking. You remember you're from the 80s? Good job. All right. Nope. Special shout out goes to Brandon from C&P Growers. Special shout out goes out to you because again, we're coming up on 1 year. January 2nd is going to be our 1 year anniversary. So expect a huge 2022 wrap up 1 year anniversary, and we have some big changes coming to the channel. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. And if you don't like this video, I'm going to come to your house and eat your dog.
I'm gonna eat your cat.
And we're coming to eat your pets, dude. We're weirdos, dude.
We're gonna
We'll do
eat your
that.
fish.
Subscribe or we eat all your animals. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for checking us out. Peace.
Peace.